We're almost ready to start on our first song. This is exciting. But I wanted to teach you one more thing, how to play a scale. Let's start by playing the C scale with our right hand. Place your thumb. Do you remember what it's called? Number 1. Place number 1 on the cat, C. And then we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, let's try to remember the letters. Remember, we've got the dog here. And then it was the cat. Cat, dog, elephant, front door, grandma. Cat, dog, elephant, front door, grandma. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Good job. Now let's take a look at the left hand. You're going to place your little finger on C. And then remember that the thumb is called 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The little finger is called 5 when we're talking about the left hand. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And then the letters. Cat, dog, elephant, front door, grandma. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Let's try both hands together. So the right hand needs to place the thumb on C, and the left hand needs to place the little finger on C. I'm going to play that a couple more times. Now we're ready to begin our first song.